Hello and welcome to my channel Khan Marketing. If you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you many different money making methods. So please subscribe to my channel so that you get notified when I create new videos for this channel. Today I am going to show you how a person has made over 500,000 just by using simple method. When I know this method, then I get shocked because the method is so simple and it is just you have to make few clicks and the thing will be ready for you. So just first look at the person, and I am going to show you the person where he's making money from it. So let's visit. The place is fiverr.com, and if you land on Fiverr, just move to the video and animation niche and click on video and animation. So here you are seeing that it's very popular niche out there, and lot of video editing stuff and short video ads and explainer videos and voiceover, and there are thousands of people are doing on the Fiverr and they are making money online. So just if you move on to intros and outros, so people are actually making those for their YouTube videos in order to make better effect or better impact on the eyes of the people, and it's create better branding about their channel. So if you just look at the people, and there are people making tons of money out there, and this person has made over 1,000. I will create a YouTube intro and outro and he is charging $30. There are definitely extras as well, and this person has received 221 reviews and $35 for each one. As I have also been working in Fiverr, and I know that nearly 50% of the people actually make the review. So you can just multiply by 2 and reach, and you can just estimate it that there are nearly 440 people who had buy this gig, and out of 440, nearly 220 people have actually made the review. So this 221 are the people who have actually made the review about this particular gig. So you just get to know that many people are making money with this. I will do digital tech intro, and this person has also over 1,000 reviews and he is charging $10 per gig. So now let's move to the gig that I am talking about. Fiverr profile is 8th Studio, and if you just visit this person gigs, then he has nearly 9 to 10 gigs, and just look at top 3. They all have 1,000 plus reviews. But if you just move inside and look at how many reviews this person has actually received, because Fiverr on the face show 1,000 plus more. So this 6,576 reviews on this gig. He is charging $10 for the basic gig, and there are extras as well. So just look at the extras: 5, 10, 10, 195, so 30. Based on my experience, he is charging nearly $25 to $30 from just one client. If you move to the second gig, I will create fully custom logo animation, charging $25 for the basic gig, and nearly 2,000 reviews has been received. And as per my experience, this person is charging nearly, if you just look at the extras, so he's just nearly charging, if you just take the average, he is charging $50 from a single customer. And with respect to the third gig, nearly 1,000 reviews, and he is charging $10. And for the fourth gig, this gig has also received more than 1,000 reviews. So if you just look at this gig, $15 for the basic and $55 for the medium, and premium for $155. So nearly he is charging $30 to $40 from one customer. So if you just do the math, I will just put out a calculator here, and 6576, if you just count it, 6576 plus, I am just counting the reviews, 1915 plus 1085 plus and 1077 and if you just look at the other gigs, just we can roughly calculate it. 650 and 460, you can just count it as 1100 and 1500, and there are total rest of all 1500. So just we add them 1500. Now count it, nearly 12,000 reviews he has received, and as I have said earlier, nearly 50% of the people will actually made the review. And so just multiply by 2, and these are, now we have reached to the total customers or buyers who have bought actually from this seller. And if you just look at the pricing option, definitely as per my experience is charging $40 to $50 from one customer. But just for the take of this example, I am taking the lowest figure, like $20. So just take it as a $20 or $25. You can just take it as a $25. So now multiply it, and if we again, so just multiply it with the $20. So nearly 500,000. This person has earned over $500,000. That's massive. So now you are interested in how this person are doing this. So without further delay, I am going to show a platform that is just simple enough to use, and you can just find ton of ready-made templates out there, and all you need is to make few amendments that can only take you 3 to 5 minutes. So the website is FlixPress. So if you just open up this website, and its address is flixpress.com, flixpress.com. You can find this link in the description box below. And if you just look at the website, then this website has nearly 8 million registered users, and over 17.5 million videos have been created. So just move to the automated templates. You can find tons of automated ready-made templates here. So just look at them. These are tons of templates, and you can even find intros. So people who are looking for intros can get ready-made templates from the FlixPress here, and slideshows, promos, special occasion, pro templates. So there are tons of templates out there. And for video ads, you can get the templates from here on the ad section. From intros, you can just move to the intros. But one thing I want to show, if you move to the ads, then just look at this template. This template gets very popular in the past few years, and I have seen lot of sellers on the Fiverr were selling only this template. So if you just look at the template, just click on, and now watch this template.
So you're saying I can ask this cat any question?
The cat is connected to the computer.
You just type in the question, it will read this line. There the answer comes.
You're the man. I've been looking for this for weeks.
So that's the funny bit of a video, and you can just customize it by creating an account with this site, and you can create an account for free. And if you create an account with them, they will provide you free plan templates, and they also have a pro section. Like if you move to the pricing option and free, let me show you free, you can just use them. They can provide you 15 templates, and you can render your video for 360 pixels. However, if you look at the personal plan, it is also a very cheaper one, $0.83 per month, and if you just choose the monthly option, then it will be $3.49 per month. This is for yearly option, and this is for monthly option. And in this option, so just if you choose the yearly option, it will cost you nearly $10 per year. And with this option, you can render your video for 1080 pixels, and there are 54 templates available. And with this expert option, you can find more templates, and this is more professional option and enterprise option. So just you can start with the free option, or you can even buy the personal plan and start getting, once you start getting orders, you can definitely move upward. This is a great site, and there are tons of options available, and people are definitely, I know people are using this FlixPress. This is the most popular site out there, and people are using it, right? Definitely you need to invest something at the start. In order to start a business, you need to invest something. Like if you're just relying on a freely option, then options will get very limited. So just personally recommending to buy, to invest something, to invest money in your business, and that will give you results for the future. So I hope you will like this video. If you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section, and please share this video with your family and friends, and I will bring more videos for you and more business model. So thank you.